Now, what this contraption is too, by the way, let me tell you about this. This is an upgrade. So this is a $2,500 upgrade. Some people like it, some people don't. It's up to you. But what it is on this side is more cabinet space, right? And then on the other side is more closet space on this side, okay? So that's what that is. And this contraption here, it's got two little hooks on top. I'm gonna try to do this with holding the phone. It's hard to do. You unbuckle it like that. And if you have a lot of guests over to where that little bar area is not enough for everybody, of course, this unfolds into a 4-person table where y'all can put some chairs here and play some cards, eat some dinner, and you can have more space for your guests. So this is a $2,500 upgrade. Like I said, some people love it, some people hate it, but it is what it is. That's what it is. And half the people I've sold one of these to want it. The other half say, nope, it eats up into the living room space. I don't want to mess with it. So that's an optional deal there. It doesn't come with it. It's a $2,500 upgrade. And then when you're done, it just kind of snaps into place there. I can move it in place with one hand, and it's out of the way. Now, I mentioned 3 changes I would make. I've already mentioned the first 2 changes. The last change I would make, again, remember I mentioned to you the dimensions of this is 12 foot wide by 40 foot long. So and see, this window got the crank deal on it too. So let me open this up so you can see what that looks like. You just kind of turn the little spinning handle and it just opens up. Oh, that air feels good. Open that up like that and boom, you're looking out to the world. Okay, so you got that window open here in the kitchenette area. Air's flowing in, and you got this window open up here. Air's flowing. Big, beautiful windows, guys. These, like, in my opinion, these windows really make this cabin, right? Because all that air, all that natural light coming in, it makes the thing feel like a home. And again, you got this little deal here where you got your books and extra storage. Put your TV up there if you want, or whatever you want to do with it. So change number 3 I would make is, it's an 8 foot, it's a 12 by 40 foot in dimensions, but 8 foot by 12 of it is taken up by this beautiful covered porch. Now, don't get me wrong. I like this porch. I think it's cute. But if it was me buying this, there you can see it with the windows open. If it was me buying this, I like the porch, but I'd probably more put a porch across the front. This way, build a deck and put a porch going across the front. And I would frame this up and make this a bigger living room or a second bedroom. In my opinion, if I was buying it, I'd only want the 1 bedroom because it'd probably be like a little cottage getaway for me. So I'd frame this up, open that wall up, and make this just a bigger living room. That's what I would do. But let's say you want to make this a 2-bed, 1-bath. You can frame this up, put a door into this unit with a window, and then we can just relocate the door from here into the other entrance over there, or leave the door off, right? So that way that person can come in from the cabin that way and through the French doors, and then, you know, this person can get into their unit this way from this side. So again, let me show you what it looks like with the windows open. That's what it looks like with the windows open on the front of the one we call the Villa ADU cottage. So this is what it looks like. I got the windows open in the front. It's a super cool cottage, you know, it's really neat. On this side, again, get my finger out of the way. This is where you can see your mini split. That controls the 2 heads on the inside for your heating and cooling. And again, you got some LED lights up there on the ridge of your your roof line. And let me walk around there's your elect. Let me walk around the back of it real quick. That's what it looks like on the back. Walk all the way around. You can see your little vent vent system there for your dryer. Electric running down on the back side of it. And again, back to the front. So just wanted to make y'all a quick video here real fast, just to show y'all what this looks like. And again, this is the Villa ADU cottage. This one is $89,000 if you buy it just the way it is. If you have us frame up this section here, you have us frame that up and make it a second bedroom, then it's $99,000. But let's say you want us to frame it up and keep the porch and make it another 8 foot, just like it is, that size, then it's $109,000 with the porch. So you got 3 different options. Keep it the way it is, frame it up, make it a 2-bed, 1-bath. So keep it the way it is, $89,000. Frame it up, make it a 2-bed, 1-bath or bigger living room, $99,000. Or make it 8 foot longer, keep the porch on the end, frame that up, and then we're at $109,000. Okay, so lots of options with this one. And remember, you can also go bigger. This one is 12 foot by 40 foot. We can go as big as 12 foot by 52 foot, so we can go a whole lot longer. Okay, so with that in mind, give us a call at 812-595-4033. Don't forget to comment below. Let us know what you think about this one. The good, the bad, and the ugly. We love some feedback so we can grow. That's how you grow, is you get feedback. So I appreciate any comments y'all can give us so we can get better at this. And y'all have a blessed day. Again, give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. And don't forget to hit the smash the follow button. And we'll come back and see us now. Y'all have a blessed day.